Hi everyone, today I will show you how to edit PDF by simply using Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. On my desktop you will see my file, named Certificate. It is a PDF file, so for example I'm a manager in Oxford Group, and would like to give motivation to my employee by giving him a certificate of excellence. But as you can see, I'm unable to edit this certificate, can't change the name, date or anything else. Luckily to do this editing, we have Microsoft Word. Just start by opening up Microsoft Word. You can drag and drop your file. Now you will be able to start editing. You can modify it as you like. As you can see, I'm able to change the line, Certificate of Excellence. I can change the name into Alid Kumar, with the same fonts as it was in the PDF. I can swap the date, as well as from whom the certificate is issued from. That's it guys. Turning PDF into editable form is quite easy as you saw it. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video.